Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did you learn? Graphs, some particular functions, graphs. How many completed? First, polynomial, constant function, identity function, modulus function. These three completed. Next one, signum function. Next one, no? Signum function definition. In simple signum function. What is the once again? What is the identity function? F of x is equal to x. What is the meaning of identity function? You take x value, any x value, same as that value. F of 1 no, equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 2, f of 3 equal to 3, f of 4 equal to 4. This is the meaning of identity function. So identity means unity. Okay. Next, constant function. F of x is equal to c. What is the meaning of constant function? You have to take any x value, but result is only single one, c. That c is 2, 3, 4 or any one constant, negative or positive. C is nothing but real numbers. So for example, f of 1 equal to c, f of 2 c, f of 3 c, f of 4 c. So that's why the graph is only this one, graph. Next, identity function. 1 means 1. Next, identity function. What is the graph? Identity function graph. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Identity function. That is minus 1. This is 1. 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 2, 2. Minus 3, 3. This is the identity function graph. Next. Third one, modulus function. Modulus function is denoted by mod x is denoted by symbol mod x. F of x is equal to mod x. Mod x is nothing but mod x is the always positive. Total value of mod x is always positive. The value of mod x is always positive means that range is also positive. Positive denoted by 0 to infinity, closed interval 0 to infinity. Means mod of minus 1 is equal to 1, mod of 1 is equal to 1, mod of minus 2 is equal to 2, mod of 0 is equal to 2. So mod of negative or positive, both are same value. So what is the graph? The graph is V-shaped graph. 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3. This is the V-shaped graph. Graph figure important. This is important. Okay, the compulsory drawn by using the pencil, scale, a perfect figure. Next, signum function. What is the signum function? Definition. Minus 1. When the give function minus 1, all negative values, you take any negative value, minus 1, minus 2, minus 100, minus 1000 or any value, you can take any negative value, that final result is minus 1. 0 if x is equal to 0. X value. You can take 0, that result is 0. Next, plus 1 if x greater than 1. X greater than 1, x greater than 0. You take any positive value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh or any number, that final result is 1. This is the function definition. This is important function. remaining, the define a relation f from R to R, f from R to R by y is equal to f of x is equal to mod x, identity function, constant function, signum function, idu and domain range. This is 3 marks, graph is 2 marks. This is simple. Okay. Signum function, the function f from R to R defined by the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to -1 to 0, 1 is all values. So what is the domain? Domain means you take any value. Domain means you take any value. Substitution value. Domain means you have, for example, x is equal to f of x is equal to x anko, for example. X value is domain. The result is range. Result is range. So x value, any x value, we have to take any x value. No restrictions. So any x value means domain R. So what is the result? Final result. Range means final result. You have to take any negative value, -1, positive value 0, 0, positive value means 1. You have to take any value, you will get finally 3 results are there. So the 3 results are called range. -1, 0, 1. This is the range. Table is not necessary. So you want means x f of x -2 -1 0 1 2 3 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3. You can take any negative values, get result is -1. 0 means 0. Any positive value means 1. This is the table. So how to draw the graph? F of x is nothing but what? F of x is nothing but y. So y is equal to 0, -1, +1. So this graph. Yesterday 3 graphs are easy to understand. Easy, but you can understand easy. So today graphs very simple but logical. Very simple but logical. Simple, very simple. So what is the graph? Okay. Understand definition? Okay, next. So -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. Value is -1. So -1 means upper one. Where is -1? This is -1, -2. 1, 2. -1, -2, -3. Take any negative value, you get the result is -1. So this is the y is equal to -1 అన్నమాట. Y is equal to 0 means 0. 0 means 0. This one, this line. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. You can take any value. So get result is 1. This is the 1. So this is the y is equal to 1. Arrow means, you know, arrow. Signum, line segment to ray or straight line. You know difference? This is line segment. Line segment means that line segment have the starting point and ending point. Starting point is there and ending point is there. So what is the ray? Ray means the ray have only starting point. There is no ending point. So the arrow mark is nothing but, what is the meaning of arrow mark? This is continuously indefined, undefined, infinite, and there is no ending. The B, where was ending? There is no ending. This is and so on. Starting is there, but ending is not there. Straight line means this is the straight line. Straight line means there is no starting, there is no ending. That line don't have any starting point and ending point. This is the arrow symbol. Arrow symbol means undefined. Okay, so the arrow, compulsory arrow. Arrow means what? Not only the line, the graph end from end to 3, not 3. Okay, and so on. This is x-axis 3, 4, 5, and so up to infinity. So that's why must be used in arrow mark. This is also. So 0 okay. 1, 2, 3 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. This meaning minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 0. So this line and so on. So 1 has 1, 2 1, 3 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, 7 1, and so on. This graph is very important one. Is this is left to right important. So this graph is wrong. Some members this is overflow. Some members this is not identify. What one? This is right. This is positive. This is x-axis. OX is called positive x-axis. OX dash is called negative x-axis. Negative value negative side, positive value positive side. The arrow positive values goes to positive. Right. Negative means left, goes to left. This is main important. Up, down. Okay. Up, left to right, down, right to left. This is very important one. Okay. This is the signum function. Modulus function is mod x. So signum function is mod x by x. Signum function mod x by x. For example, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 is mod of minus 1 is equal to 1 now. 1 by minus 1 minus 1. So x is equal to minus 2. Mod of minus 2 is equal to 2 by minus 2. 2 by minus 2 minus 1. So this is the function. Signum function. You take any value. This is mod x, this is normal x. You know mod x, mod of any number, mod of negative also positive, mod of minus 1 equal to plus 1. Okay, this is the function. Next, greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. greatest integer function. Define a relation f from R to R. The function f from R to R defined by the function f from R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to, this is symbol of box x, step x. Okay, f of x is equal to box x belongs to R, x belongs to R is called greatest integer function. Simply step function, STEP, step function, greatest integer function, or another one, step function. For example, what is the meaning of step function? First of all, step of 1 equal to 1a. Step x means greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Okay. So integer means what? Only negative and positive numbers only. Integers means negative and positive numbers only. So step of 1 equal to 1. Step of 1.5 is also 1 because of in 1.5, 1.5 is nothing but 1 plus 0.5. 1.5 is equal to 1 plus 0.5. So 1 is a integer, 0.5 is a fractional. Fractional means binna, 1 by 2. 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2. So in 1.5, what is the integer part? What is the integer part? 1 is the integer part. So this is the box is called integer of x. So greatest integer function. Meaning integer. In 1.5, what is the integer? 1 is the integer. 0.5 is the fractional. So in 1.5 only you can write, you have to write integer value only. So step of 1.9. 1.9 is nothing but 1 plus 0.9. 0.9 is a fractional number, 1 is the integer number. So in 1.9, 1 is the integer number. So 1. 1.10, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.111, 1.223, this any point, 1 point something up to 9.9999. So step of 2 is also 2. Step of minus 0.5 is equal to, step of minus 0.5 is equal to minus 1. Okay, in this is 1.5, 1. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? This is 1.5. This is nearly small integer value. This is the meaning of in 1.5. Okay, 1.5 have the step of 1.5 have, step of 1.5 have, this is small integer value of 1.5. 1.5 kinta, for example, 1.5 kinta small integer value is 1. 1, 2. Which one is small? 1 is small. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Which one is small? Minus 2 is small. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Which one is small value? 1 is small value. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Which one is small value? Minus 2 is small value, not minus 1. So this is minus 0.5 is equal to not again same plus 0.5 is equal to what? 0. Positive 0.5, 0 plus 0.5, 0 is the integer value, so 0. So at the same way, minus step of minus 0.5 is equal to what? Not 0, minus 0, minus 1. Minus of 1.5 is equal to minus 2, not minus 1, because of positive in 1 comma 2 is a positive numbers, in big small value is 1, in negative values bigger value is small value, positive value bigger value is bigger value, small value. So in negatives small is big, big is small. So this is. So next one, no? Step of x, step x is equal to minus 1. Step x is minus 1 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. For example, minus 0.5. Minus 0.1 is step of minus 0.1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 0.2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 0.3 is equal to minus 1. So 0, this is the real line. This is the real line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is minus 1, minus 2 and so on. 1, 2, 3, this and so on. Minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is 0, starting value 0. 0 to minus 1, all negative values. 0 to minus 1, in between all values are negative values. So 0.2 minus 0.1 is equal to the minus 0.1 equal to minus 1. Minus 0.2 equal to minus 1. Minus 0.3 equal to minus 1 is up to 0.9 is minus 1. So step x, this is step x or greatest integer function or integral function, integer function of x, both are same. So here greatest integer function, say minus 1 when minus 1 to 0. Step of x is equal to 0 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. For example, 0.1, step of 0.1, 0 to 1 means 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, something up to 0.9. So step of 0.1 is equal to 0, 0.2 equal to 0.2 equal to also 0, 0.9 is also 0. So you can take any values of 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1 in step of values, that result is, we get result is 0. Okay, so step x is equal to 1 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, x less than 2, not less than or equal to, below 0. Okay, less than or equal to 1 is also. So up to 1 coda, step of 1, step of 1.1, step of 1.2, 0. This is the explanation. See your textbook page number 42. It's all explanation is there. So once again, okay. Now step of x is equal to 2 when if 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, 2 to below 3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.9 also, 2.9 equal to 3 goes step of 3. So that's why less than 3, not less than or equal to 3. Okay, understand what is the meaning of greatest integer function? Greatest integer function simply step x, step function simply. So step of 1, this is called integer part of x. In 1.5, what is the integer part? 1 is the integer part, 0.5 is the fractional part. So answer is only integer part. In negative values, so plus 1.5 is equal to 1 now, minus 1.5. minus 1.5 is equal to not minus 1, no, minus 2. This is nearly smallest value. 1.5 కి 1.5 కి minus 1.5 కి near smallest value. This is minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2. Which one is the smallest value? Minus 1.5, small, kinta smallest value. This is minus 2, not minus 1. Okay, minus 1.5 kinta smallest value ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ minus 2 is the smallest value of minus 1.5. At the same way, 1.5, 2. What is the what is the smallest value of 1.5? 1 is the smallest value of 1.5. So here minus 2 is the smallest value of minus 1.5. This is the different. Okay, once again, have any doubt means video we'll seeing so many times, one time, 2 times, 3 times. We have listened so many times. Okay. So only the explanation is don't write in your examination. Only definition. What is definition? If the function f from R to R defined by y is f from R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to step x is called a greatest integer function. So what is the domain? Domain is the x value. You can take any value. Maximum of functions ki function have domain R because you take any value. So result is, what is the result? For example, f of 1.5 equal to 1, no. Okay, there is no fraction values, only integer values. So what is the range? Range is integers. Range is integer. So minus 1 plus 1, only positive negative numbers will come. Numbers are no fraction number. So fraction number is also there, means real numbers. Only numbers means integers. Only positive numbers means natural numbers. Okay. Okay, what is the domain? Domain is equal to R and range is integers. Range is integers. So graph. So zero to 1, no. 0 to 1, you can take any value. 0 to 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. All values 0.1. Step of 0.1 is equal to 0. So this one. Next 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1.1, for example, this is 1, no. 1.1. 1.1 is 1, no. 1.2 is 1, no. 1.3 is 1, no. 1.4 is 1, no. Up to 1.9. So this is 1 to this one. 1 to 1.9 works. Next 2.1. Step of 2.1, no. 2. Step of 2.3, 2. 2.1, no. This is 2. 2.1, no. 2. 2.2, 2. 2 point up to 2.9. Next 3.1 is equal to 3. 3 point up to 3.1 to 3a. 3.23a, 3.43a, 3.9 also 3. Next, here also 0.1, step of minus 0.1 equal to step of minus 0.1 is equal to what? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 is also minus 1. So up to goes to 0.1. Next, step of minus 1.1, minus 1.1, minus 1.2, okay, minus 1.2, minus 1.3, this is also minus 2. So minus 2.1 also minus 3, minus 2.2 minus 3, minus step of minus 2.4 3. So the difference is up to this one, this one. This is okay, 1 by 1. This is the graph. Okay, 3 to 4 minus 2.30. This is very simple. Signum function, greatest integer function, very simple, but maximum of students will do mistake compulsory. We have to do mistake. Maximum mistake. Our mistake is, what is our mistake? 0 to 1. This is the starting, the line starting from 1. This is 1 to in below 2, not 2, direct to below 2. This is 2 to starting 2.1 to 3.9. In a graph paper is clearly, the graph paper we have to see, you can see clearly in the graph paper. Okay, this is the signum function. Very important one is signum function, greatest integer function, modulus function. The three are very important one. Okay, tomorrow next one is the polynomial of a function is there, that one. And next topic, fourth chapter. Already the first chapter sets completed, second chapter relations and functions, third chapter trigonometric functions completed, fourth chapter mathematical induction. Okay, let us go to the next chapter, mathematical induction. Okay, thank you.